Hi, my name is Manny Peng. In this video, we will look at how to extract BACnet point list from the WaveLinx core. Although the BACnet point list can be obtained by downloading the EPIC file by pressing this button, the information presented in this document is not very easy to read because all the BACnet point objects are displayed in a text file instead of in an Excel spreadsheet. Most third-party BACnet integrator would prefer to see all the BACnet points organized in a chart with a specific column for building, floor, area, zone, and a specific column with the corresponding BACnet point ID similar to this Excel spreadsheet. Since the current WaveLinx core version of 12.1.0.8 cannot provide the BACnet point list in an Excel spreadsheet, we have to use a third-party software called Yabi or yet another BACnet Explorer in order to extract the BACnet points. And here are the steps to do that. First, we open up Yabi. Then we click on the Add Device button. Make sure the BACnet IP port is correct. BAC0 is a hexadecimal value, which is equivalent to the default BACnet port of 47808. You can use the up or down arrow here to change the value of the BACnet port number if it is something else other than 47808. Next, we have to select the IP address of your laptop, assuming that it has been set up to be on the same subnet as the WaveLinx core. Next, we click on the Add button. Now you can see that Trellex has been populated here. By clicking on Trellex, you will see all the BACnet object points getting populated under the address space. Now click on Functions and select Export Device EDE file. Then you can enter the name of your file and select the directory where you want this file to be saved in. Once the export is done, click OK. One thing to note is that the longer the object point list, the longer you have to wait for Yabi to save the file for you. And notice that this file is going to be saved in a .csv format. As you can see here, all the BACnet points that have been extracted into a .csv file have not been sorted into columns yet. If I double-click the right-hand side of column A, you can see that every line is contained within one cell of column A, and you can also see that all words within each line are mostly separated by semicolons, like here, 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 and there. With Microsoft Excel, you can separate the words within each cell into separate columns as follows. First, we click on Data. Then we have to click here to select the entire column A. Next, we have to click on this button to convert text to columns. Then we click on Next. Because most of the words are separated by semicolons, we have to select semicolon here. Then click Next and click Finish button. Then click OK. Next, we can readjust the width of column A by double-clicking on the right-hand side of the column. We can do similar thing on column C. And we can remove all the optional column by selecting all of them and press the delete key. Now we can organize the remaining data, specifically the object name column here, which contain area names, zone, floor, building, occupancy set, etc. And we can also separate object instance ID into a separate column here. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you find it informative.